Hi everyone, welcome to Belinda TV. Today I'm going to be making this beautiful hairstyle right here. So without any delay, let's get right into it. So guys, I'm going to be making use of this crochet hair right here. It was written 1 pack full head, but that's a lie. So since it's not going to be enough for my full hair, I decided why not use it to make a ponytail instead. So I just made a small section at the back and another section at the front right here. So this is the tricky part. This section at the front, I'm going to use eco styling gel to section it into small boxes, connecting each box to the other one. So you're going to use this styling gel to make it firm at the end, and you're going to use a rubber band to tie this part. I don't have the black rubber band. What I have is the colored one, and I don't feel like putting color in my hair right now at the front, so I just improvised and used my thread. So this is what you're going to do. Don't hold it too tight, or if you have your rubber band, that's fine. So you just connect each box to the other one like that. So that part where you're supposed to crochet on your hair, I inserted a thick thread through all of it like this, and then I use a needle and thread to sew down, I think about 2 or 3 inches down, to sew it together so that it will properly cover the hair at the back. So what I'm going to do is right now is I'm going to use this crochet hair to cover my ponytail at the back. Because of the way I've sewn it, my hair is not going to be visible, even though this is single crochet hair. So you're just going to hold it firmly at the down, but don't hold it too tight. Don't give yourself headache. Just hold it firm so that it's not going to fall off. You get me? And then you take some of the hair and wrap it around the root of the hair to make it look stylish and more clean. And so guys, this is the final look. I did something with the heart sign at the side and some baby hair thing going on at the front. I hope you find this video helpful. Please consider clicking on that subscribe button, like and share this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.